Hello students, how are you guys? I hope all of you are doing well and fine. I welcome you all in our next session of INMO flashback series guys. In this series we are solving previous year INMO questions started with the year 2000 and so far we have completely done till 2013 and currently we are solving 2014, right? So guys, you can find all the videos posted on the channel. Rather you can find it under the playlist section as well. वहाँ पे order में post की हुई हैं, right? You can find there also. Okay, so guys, आज का जो क्वेश्चन है, we are solving today the fifth question of INMO 2014 and today's question is based on geometry. Okay, so I'll show you the question, right? So please try the question beforehand, right? I'll not be scrolling full down below, like because मैंने diagram पहले से बना के रखा हुआ है and I'll not show you the diagram beforehand because that was not given in the question. ठीक है, तो question पढ़ के please pause the video and then try the question yourself and give it a good attempt, right? At least 1-1.5 घंटा उसको try करो, कुछ करो, so that afterwards when you watch the solution you actually gain something in terms of learning. ठीक है, तो learn होनी चाहिए, वहाँ से learning कुछ मिलनी चाहिए आपको, because अगर सीधा देखोगे तो वो learning नहीं आएगी. Okay, alright. So guys, before proceeding, let me introduce myself. My name is Lohit Jindal. I've done my BTech from IIT Bombay and I've been teaching mathematics since past 9+ years since graduating. So for various competition exams like IIT JEE, Mathematics Olympiad, KVPY, etc. Right? Okay. So guys, मैं थोड़ा scroll down करता हूँ so that you are able to read the question first, right? Okay. All right. So this is the question first of all. I'm not scrolling all the way down. As you can see, there's a small diagram that I've drawn also. तो वो ना दिखे अभी because that is not provided in the question. तो read कर लो guys question को first. I'll read it out also. In an acute angle triangle ABC, a point D lies on the segment BC. Let O1, O2 denote circumcenters of triangle ABD and ACD respectively. Prove that the line joining the circumcenter of triangle ABC and the orthocenter of triangle O1, O2D is parallel to BC. Right? So guys, please pause the video here and try this question. Okay? Then I'll be discussing it. All right. So guys, I hope सबने try कर लिया इस question को. So I'll scroll the full page down so that you can see this diagram as well. So what I've drawn is this thing. So guys, ऐसे diagram बना सकते हो. I'll tell you how we drew the diagram as well. तो ABC triangle था. आपको उसके अंदर उसका circumcircle भी चाहिए होगा, right? Because O is the circumcircle. So मैंने क्या किया? ABC triangle बनाया हुआ है. उसका एक circumcircle बना हुआ है and its center is O. Now guys, do keep in mind O1 and O2 are the centers of the circumcenters of triangle ABD. So if you imagine a triangle circle passing through A, B and D, उसका center O1 है. And as you guys know, guys, O1 जो होगा, it lies on perpendicular bisectors of AB, AD and BD, right? Because O1 वैसे ही मिलता है ना आपको center of the circumcenter circle, you find by drawing perpendicular bisector of the corresponding sides of the triangle. तो AD के perpendicular bisector के ऊपर O1 होना चाहिए, right? So O1 lies on perpendicular bisector of AD as well as AB as well as BD, right? Similarly, O2 lies on perpendicular bisector of AC, AD and CD. तो guys आप ये देख सकते हो that O1 and O2, the line joining O1 and O2, right? Because both are lying on the perpendicular bisector of AD, right? Both are lying on the perpendicular bisector of AD. That means O1 and O2 should O1 O2 segment is perpendicular bisector of AD. Right, I'll write it down as well. O1, O2 is perpendicular bisector of AD, right? ये वैसे भी आपको पता होना चाहिए guys, otherwise भी, because क्यों पता होना चाहिए मैं बता देता हूँ, because it's like two circles are intersecting, है ना? Two circles are intersecting and the line joining the intersection point is AD, right? AD is the line segment joining the intersection points of the two circles जो intersect कर रहे होंगे with centers O1 and O2, right? And this line segment joining the two centers is perpendicular to the line segment that is common to both circles, right? Common chord. तो वैसे भी सोच सकते हो आप. Okay. Once we have established this, कि AD का perpendicular bisector होगा O1, O2, right? So these two distances are equal. And also guys, now ABD triangle का circumcenter है O1. So O1A equal to O1D, right? I'll mark this thing. O1A is equal to O1D because those are radius of that circle, right? O1A equal to O1D. Okay, similarly AO2, O2 is the circumcenter ना, तो A और D उस circle के ऊपर lie करते हैं. So O2A will be equal to O2D, है ना? And O1 O2 is common. So won't I say the triangle वैसे सिंपल प्रॉपर्टीज आप वैसे भी लिखकर सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ट्राइंगल O1AO2 इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल O1AO2 अगर हम लिख रहे हैं तो O1DO2 बाय सिंपली SSS भी आप बोल सकते हो, राइट. ऑल थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल, राइट. सो रेडियाई है दो, तो दो अलग अलग सर्कल्स के रेडियस हैं और एक कॉमन साइड है, राइट. सो द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. So now guys, what does it mean that angle AO1O2, this means angle AO1O2 will be equal to angle DO1O2, and I will like to tell you what is angle AO1O2. Guys, consider it carefully now. What is the value of angle AO1O2, right? That is this angle. Shouldn't it be equal to B angle? Why? I'll tell you why. Because guys, ABD अगर आपका सर्कल है, ABD was the circle, है ना? So AD is the chord of that circle and O1 is the center, right? I'll write here that O1 is the center of the circle of ABD. ठीक है, तो अगर एक कॉर्ड बनती है, सो एक काम करता हूँ गाइज, मैं आपको सेकेंडरी वे में बता देता हूँ कि लॉजिकली हो क्या रहा है. देखो, जो AD है वो एक सर्कल का कॉर्ड है एंड O1 इज द सेंटर. So angle AO1D should be equal to twice of angle B, right? Angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circle. ABD एक सर्कल होगा, although डायग्राम पे दिखाया नहीं है मैंने इसलिए because it will become quite messy, तो आइडेंटिफाई करना मुश्किल होगा. So just imagine if you have a circle passing through AB and D, AD is a chord, right? So उसका center O1 है, तो angle subtended by the chord AD at the center O1 is twice the angle subtended on the circle which is at point B. And AD is subtending angle B at point B, right? So, and these two angles are equal, right? And these two angles are equal, जो हमने शो किया congruency के साथ. So these two angles are equal, and their sum is twice of angle AO1O2. Okay, मैं लिख देता हूँ so that you better understand. So angle AO1O2 plus angle DO1O2, which becomes, which is actually twice of angle AO1O2, right? It is logically by the property that it is twice the angle subtended on the circle, that is twice of angle B. So guys, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So basically you'll get angle AO1O2 is equal to angle DO1O2 is equal to angle B. So this is one of the intermediate step that is important, right? तो मैं डायग्राम के ऊपर मार्क करता जाऊंगा विद रेड कलर. सो दिस इज एंगल बी एंड दिस कंप्लीट एंगल is also angle B, right? This thing is clear. Now guys, very much similarly, exactly the similar thing you can do on AO2 O1, right? Because the triangles are again congruent, everything is same. We also know this is by CPCT. But similarly, you have angle AO2 O1 equal to angle DO2 O1, that is also by CPCT, right? Again, those two are equal, and again, this time you have to see ADC triangle, right? So this time chord AC, you can see chord AD is subtending angle C on the circle, and the whole angle AO2D will be twice of that, right? The same logic, everything the same. So I can say similarly, right? Similarly, angle AO2O1 equal to angle DO2O1 will be equal to angle C, right? Exactly in the similar way. मैं आपको डायग्राम पे तो बता ही चुका हूँ, right? Because this whole angle, okay, I'll mark here. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हैं, as I already said, right? ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं, and angle AO2D is twice of angle ACD, because AD is the chord subtending angle at O2, that is the center of ADC circle, and on the circle point C. ठीक है, so this value is angle C and this value is also angle C, right? Similarly आ गया आपके पास. Now guys, what I'm focusing on is I want to prove that AKO, that point K and O lie on the circumcircle of AO1O2. AO1O2 के circumcircle के ऊपर lie करेंगे, ये मैं prove करना चाहता हूँ. So let's see कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, so what is the point K? That is the perpendiculars, altitudes का orthocenter, right? K is the orthocenter that I have marked, because DA is altitude for O1 O2 through D, और O1 से मैंने एक ऑल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ कर दिया इस तरह से, एंड ठीक है, तो O2K ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट्स ऑल्टीट्यूड, राइट, O2K ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट्स ऑल्टीट्यूड, सो आई कैन एक्सटेंड इट एज वेल, उसको एक्सटेंड भी कर सकते हैं, दिस विल बी ऑल्टीट्यूड एज वेल, राइट। तो तीन ऑल्टीट्यूड्स हैं, DA, O2K and O1K are the three altitudes of triangle DO1O2, and K is the orthocenter, and you must understand K will lie on AD, right? Altitude है उसके ऊपर ही lie करेगा. Okay, this is one thing, and O is the center of the triangle ABC, circumcenter, right? So let us focus, guys. Now through the logic of the circle ABC, ABC का circumcenter है O, right guys? Correct? Now consider AC is the chord, right? Again the same logic. AC is the chord of the circle, the bigger circle that is drawn here in front of you. जो इतना बड़ा circle बना हुआ है, that is the circumcenter of AB, circumcircle of ABC. तो AC उसका एक chord है, right? So what do you think? What should be the angle AOC? Right? I'll write here. What is the value of angle AOC? Angle AOC is twice of angle B, right? Again, ABC circle का center है O, and the angle subtended by AC at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circle, which is angle B. So complete angle AOC 2B है, which, and we know that OO2 is perpendicular bisector of AC, so it is dividing the angle AOC in two equal parts. You all know that, right? मैं quickly बता देता हूँ guys, ये प्रॉपर्टी जो होती है हमारे पास, अगर एक कॉर्ड है और सेंटर से अगर आप परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करते हो, so these two triangles are congruent, no? ठीक है, ये मैं प्रॉपर्टी आपको बता देता हूँ, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं हो जाते, सॉरी, ठीक है। तो ये जो दो ट्राइंगल्स बनते हैं आपके पास, दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, सो दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल। तो जनरली आप ये बोल सकते हो, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, दिस हाफ एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल देन, राइट, बिकॉज टू पूरा का पूरा उसका डबल होता है और दोनों इक्वल होते हैं, तो आधे आधे इक्वल उसके इक्वल हो जाते हैं। शुड नो दिस प्रॉपर्टीज, ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे इतना डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा जनरली। Alright guys, so due to that logic, angle AOC is twice of angle B, and we know angle AOO2 is equal to O2OC, right? क्योंकि OO2 perpendicular है उस chord के और through the center बना रहे हो आप, so basically you can say कि OO2 जो है AC का perpendicular bisector तो है ही ना, right? वहाँ से आप समझ सकते हो। So this will imply that angle AOO2, right, AOO2 is equal to angle B और हाफ ऑफ एंगल AOC, मैं लिख देता हूं एक बार, हाफ ऑफ एंगल AOC which is equal to angle B. So guys, this is again interesting. AOO2 is also coming out to be angle B. I'll mark it there. This angle is coming out to be angle B. So guys, see now, the chord AO2, if you think about this triangle AO1O2, the chord AO2 is subtending same angle B at O1 as well as O, right? मैं ये लिख देता हूं, सो दिस इंप्लाइज O1, O and O2 are concyclic, right? Reason is simply AO2 is subtending same angle B at O1 and O, right? That is the reason simply. AO2 जो है B पे भी O पे भी एंगल B सबटेंड कर रहा है, O1 पे भी एंगल B सबटेंड कर रहा है, सो ये चारों पॉइंट्स क्या हो गए, कंसाइक्लिक हो गए, राइट? दे आर साइक्लिक, फॉर्मिंग अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. नाउ गाइस, लेट अस कम टू एंगल AKO2, right? Let us come to the triangle AKO2. Okay. So guys, what is angle AKO2? ये वाला जो एंगल है, ओके, वो क्या लिखूंगा, ओके, लेट मी राइट एंगल AKO2. सो गाइस, AKO2, O2 के क्या है यहाँ पे, दैट इज ऑल्टीट्यूड यहाँ पे, है ना, एंड दिस एंगल इज 90. सो इन दिस ट्राइंगल इफ यू सी, कैन आई से एंगल AKO2 is 90, because already one angle, this is a right angle triangle na, 90 minus this angle, right, 90 minus KO2 O1. So this can be written as 90 minus angle KO2 O1, right? But guys, now consider the triangle O1 O2K, let's say this is F. So you can consider triangle O1 O2F, right? उसमें ये 90 है ऑलरेडी, altitude है ना, O2F is the altitude through K, and this angle is angle B, So what is 90 minus angle KO2O1, where KO2O1 is same as FO2O1, right? So KO2O1 is same as FO2O1 क्योंकि O2 KF is a straight line, altitude है. So 90 minus KO2O1, that will be angle B अगर आप इस triangle से देखोगे, right? So this thing is equal to angle B again. तो आपको angle AKO2 is also coming out to be angle B, ठीक है ना? And AO2 is again, AO2 K पे भी angle B subtend करता है, O2 पे O पे भी and O1 पे भी, right? So rather this will now imply by the same logic that AO2 जो chord है, it is subtending angle B at O1, K and O, all 3 points. So I can say A, O1, K, O and O2 are concyclic. ठीक है, ये मैं बोल सकता हूं कि पांचों पॉइंट्स कंसाइक्लिक हो गए, A, O1, O2, K and O, all these 5 points. या फिर आप कह सकते हो the circumcircle of triangle A, O1, O2, K and O will lie on that, right? K will lie on that, K and O both will lie on that. आप देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे, right? So guys, you have to understand one thing. अब मुझे क्या प्रूव करना था? KO, the circumcenter of ABC which is O, and the orthocenter of O1, O2, OD, O1, O2, D, which is K. We have to prove that those 2 points, line segment joining those 2 points, that KO is parallel to BC. So guys, that I can do if I can prove that triangle AKO is equal to ADC. अगर मैंने ये prove कर दिया that angle AKO, okay, that this angle AKO is equal to ADC, my job is done. Then these two are corresponding angles and both are connecting on the AD line. So KO will be parallel to DC अगर ये दोनों angle equal हो जाते हैं, right? That is my aim here. So let me write it here guys, थोड़ी space कम है यहाँ पे, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, ठीक है? Coming back on the top. So guys, AKO angle को now consider this thing guys, AKOO2, AKOO2 is a cyclic quadrilateral, है ना? Forget about O1 for the time being. AKOO2 is a cyclic quadrilateral and sum of opposite angles is 180. So I'll start with this. Angle AKO is equal to 180 degree minus इसके opposite angle कौन सा है? AO2O, angle AO2O, right? Angle AO2O. Now guys, AO2O angle कितना है? Now think about this thing guys again, कि अगर आप ADC triangle का circumcircle बनाओगे, okay, if you draw the circumcircle of triangle ADC, this is very important, ठीक है? ADC का अगर आप circumcircle draw करोगे, okay, let me try and draw it actually, otherwise थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा समझना, ठीक है? ओके गाइस, दिस ब्लू सर्कल काइंड ऑफ रिप्रेजेंट्स इट. मैं आपको जस्ट एक बार दिखाना चाहता हूँ और आई ओके ऑलराइट. सो गाइस, आई होप आपको ये ब्लू सर्कल दिख रहा है, राइट? यू आर एबल टू सी दिस ब्लू सर्कल. अब आपको देखो O2 उसका सेंटर है, राइट? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ADC का सर्कम सर्कल है ये, द ब्लू सर्कल दैट आई हैव ड्रॉन, बिग ब्लू सर्कल. O2 उसका सेंटर है, राइट? ठीक है. एंड यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन फाइंडिंग एंगल AOO2. इट्स लाइक आप ऐसे सोचो, इट्स लाइक AOO2 जो है OO2 उसका परपेंडिकुलर है, राइट? सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर बना हुआ है. सो एंगल AO2O is half of AO2C. first of all, AO2O, this angle is half of AO2C, है ना? वही चीज बोल सकते हैं, राइट? जो पहले मैंने आपको भी प्रॉपर्टी बताई थी ना, ये सर्कल है, उसकी कॉर्ड है AC और O2 उसका सेंटर है, एंड इट्स लाइक फाइंडिंग द हाफ ऑफ द एंगल AO2C, क्योंकि AO2O इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑल्सो थ्रू द सेंटर. ठीक है, मैं काम करता हूँ. ABCDE कहीं नहीं लिखा हुआ है. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पॉइंट, ओके, फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू कैन कंसिडर दिस पॉइंट, राइट गाइज, जो O2 जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है AC को, दैट पॉइंट बी E. लेट्स से दैट इज पॉइंट E. नाउ कंसिडर दिस थिंग गाइज, O2E इज ऑल्टीट्यूड परपेंडिकुलर ऑन द कॉर्ड AC, है ना? ऑल्टीट्यूड है ना. So AO2O is same as AO2E. So I'll write here as well. This is 180 minus angle AO2E. Now again, this is the property, angle AO2E will be equal to, if I draw any line, okay, so this should be better also, समझने में easy रहेगा, थोड़ा better हो जाएगा guys समझने के लिए. Let's say you draw any point, ठीक है, आपने उस AC chord को I'm just drawing this so that you understand it in a better way. Okay, all right. Like this. So guys देखो, AO2E या फिर AO2C आप क्या बोलोगे? It is twice of this angle, है ना? इसको G मान लेता हूँ. Let me name it as G. So AGC will be equal to AO2E, right? This angle AO2E equal to एंगल AGC. क्यों होगा? मैंने अभी आपको पहले बताया था, क्योंकि AC कॉर्ड है, दैट कॉर्ड इज सबटेंडिंग हाफ ऑफ एंगल, जो AO2E है दैट इज हाफ ऑफ दैट एंगल ऑफ AO2C एंड AO2C इज ट्वाइस ऑफ दैट एंगल AGC. तो उसका हाफ हो रहा है अगर AO2E विल बी सेम एज AGC, है ना? ये सेम प्रॉपर्टी दोबारा यूज हो रही है. नाउ फाइनली गाइस, व्हाट इज 180 माइनस AGC? नाउ ADCG इज अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल and if 180 minus AGC will be equal to ADC. So finally this is equal to angle ADC. And that's it guys. Finally you are able to prove that angle AKO is equal to angle ADC. So finally you have been able to prove that AKO is equal to ADC, which means KO will be parallel to, okay, finally from this thing we'll say KO is parallel to BC, DC, or further you will say this will further imply that KO is parallel to BC, right? And that is what we needed to prove. I know it's quite lengthy, समझना बहुत important है, but angle chasing है completely. आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो cyclic quadrilateral अगर आपने एक बार prove कर दिया, once you prove that K and O are lying on the circumcircle of AO1, O2, your job is basically done, right? तो मेरे को guys ये सर्कल बना के दिखाना पड़ा काफी चीजें, तो ये angles बहुत important है देखना, right? So AKO is 180 minus AO2O. AO2O is same as AO2E. And chord का center पे जो angle subtend होता है, उसका perpendicular जो बनाते हैं वो equally divide होता है. And we are using these properties, right? So that is it guys. I'm sorry for this messy diagram. So I hope आपको लेकिन समझ में आ गया हो. मैंने step by step कोशिश की ताकि आपको उतना बता सकूं, right? Because अगर आप सब सारे circles वगैरह भी बना दोगे ना बीच में तो बहुत messy सा हो जाएगा. You'll not be able to understand it clearly. So कम से कम draw करके मैं draw कर रहा था, right? So I hope guys everybody was able to understand this thing and got to learn from this question. I hope it was clear, and if you did learn something, please like this video and subscribe to our channel guys, है ना, so that we can come with the similar videos. Okay, all right guys, then we'll see you in the next video, and the next video will be doing the 6th question of INMO 2014, and with that the year 2014 question paper will be completed, है ना? So looking forward to that 15 years के papers complete हो जाएंगे फिर, है ना? So let us meet in the next video guys. Till then keep practicing and all the best guys. Take care. Bye bye.